Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify loudness and true peak with iZotope Insight 2, complete guide step by step clearly. Open iZotope Insight 2 within your digital audio workstation. Create a new session or open an existing project. Import the audio file you wish to analyze. Navigate to the meter section of iZotope Insight 2. Select the loudness meter from the available options. Ensure that the meter settings are configured for your project's requirements. For loudness measurement, use the default settings unless specific adjustments are needed. Play your audio track to initiate real-time monitoring. Observe the loudness levels displayed on the meter. Check the integrated loudness value for overall loudness across the track. Take note of the short-term loudness reading for shorter segments of audio. Review the momentary loudness for immediate loudness changes. To analyze true peak levels, switch to the true peak meter. Play the audio again to record true peak readings. Monitor the true peak level in decibels to ensure it does not exceed your target range. Adjust your mix as necessary based on the loudness and true peak readings. If needed, revisit your audio processing chain to optimize levels. Consider utilizing limiting or compression to control peaks and maintain loudness. Continue to refine your audio until you achieve the desired loudness without distortion. Finalize your analysis by exporting or saving your settings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.